Hello there. I know it's been quite a while since I've done a woodworking video, but we're back. The vintage truck woodworking is here, and it's here to stay. Time has gone by a little bit, and I do apologize for the delay, but we're back. I mean, it's time to shave, I guess, a little bit, but let's not do that, because beards rock. Beards are totally awesome, and you'll see why if you go to thevintagetruckwoodworking.com and check it out. So, we're going to talk about some cool topic today. Not very long, but you'll learn from it. For all woodworking, people need to work with wood, and that's awesome. So, what was I saying again? Where am I? Oh, I'm going to go. I'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Goodbye.
All right, the vintage truck woodworking is finally back. After so stinking long, he's back. Anyways, so this video is awesome. Lumberjacks or woodworkers or just cool people that want to heat with their own resources, you need to get some wood. And we do that with certain tools like
hatchet, splitting saw,
chainsaw. And all these tools help us accomplish getting firewood, and they are very beneficial. So watch this video that I actually recorded early in the spring, like I said, and just learn something cool. I think you'll like it.
Hey guys, I want to show you this cool idea that I got from a book a year or so back by mounting a tire to a stump, and you'll see what it does. Got a piece of poplar here, so and we chop. Oh, see, keeps it in the same spot. That is so awesome. And there we go. Chopping it, whipping it, annihilating the wood.
I hope you liked that video. Pretty straightforward and simple. Until next time, thevintagetruckwoodworking.com out.